Hello, fellow hair loss people. Welcome to my 8-month day 245 review. I apologize for not doing a review last week. As you can see around me, I have moved in the past week. It has been very hectic. My fiance and I moved from one location to another, all kind of in the same area though, but we've just had a lot going on. I didn't have time to record an update. But this is my official 8-month update. So let's jump right into it. So one thing I do want to talk about is now above me, I've got these skylights. So I get a ton of natural light, so it'll look a little bit different than maybe it did in the past in terms of lighting. Before, the old room that I used to do a lot of my videos in, the lighting wasn't great in there. It was just really overhead lights, not a lot of natural lighting. So I know, honestly, I think the natural light looks pretty good on my hair. But let's take a look. So this is the foot out. My hair is honestly the longest that it's been in a very long time. As I was mentioning, haven't really had a time to go get a haircut. The side length is actually probably pretty good. I probably won't cut it much more, but the top, I'm definitely going to get a trim in the coming couple of days, probably before my next update video. But looking in at the foot out, my left side has gotten a lot thicker in the past 2 weeks, which is odd. I would have thought it would have thinned out from stress and all the anxiety of moving, but it has definitely filled in quite a bit. You can see back here towards this finger, it's still a little bit thin, but overall very, very, very happy with how it looks. It's still getting denser, believe it or not, and I still have new hair growth. So I am hopeful that even though I did have a lot of good early growth, I'm hopeful that this side will have a lot of good late growth too. Being at month 12, your hair continues to grow, usually until about the 12-month mark. So I do think that I will see more growth over the next 4 months or so. Right side, you can see, here's the foot out mark, very dense, looks very good. Very, very happy with these results. Towards the back area, it's maybe a little bit thin where it matches up with my native hair, but overall it's really tough to tell, especially the way that I style my hair, kind of bring it forward and to the side a little bit. So when I do that, you really can't tell. Looking down at the top of my head, you can see the top of my head is looking very, very good. There's a nice transition between my native hair and my transplanted hair. It meshed very, very well. A lot of that hair angles that they put my hair at look very good and very natural, just like, you know, how my hair would look. So I'm very, very happy with that. I got probably the biggest compliment from my fiance the other day. She said the back of my head looks 100% normal. She said it looks like how it should look. So the crown area, for those who've been following along, I did get 1,500 grafts in my crown, 2,500 along my hairline. The 1,500 in my crown, I truly feel like have either fully healed or are very, very close at this point. I've had great density in my crown area. And I personally think it looks incredible. So I'm very, very happy with those results. This general side of my head, it's incredible. My entire donor area looks totally untouched. I look at pictures before my hair transplant and you can't tell that my donor area has ever been touched. After some conversations with Fucapular, they did mention that I do have probably another 2,000, 2,500 donor grafts available that I would be able to take if I do decide in the future to ever get another hair transplant. Right now, that is not really on the table. I'm very happy with how my hair looks, and I do not plan on getting any other hair transplants anytime soon. So, as always, if you guys have any questions, make sure to comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe for my future videos. Thanks, guys.